Shamai, Flight, Pathfinder, Electric Solid Body, Ukulele, Flight, Voyager, Tenor, Electro Acoustic Ukulele. I'm just going to do a very, very quick comparison, not of the ukes themselves so much, but more of the sounds that they make, especially using a few different effects. I'm about to go messing with my effects pedalboard. I'll explain a little bit more towards the end of this video, but basically before I take it apart, I just wanted to have a quick try out of two different ukuleles, one because it's steel string and one because it's nylon string, and obviously solid body versus electroacoustic, just to give me an idea before I put pedals back into an order again. So I'm literally just going to play a few little ditties on both ukes. They're both flight, they're both tenor, but that is pretty much the similarities between them. This one's actually got a low G, this one has got a high G. It'd just be interesting to hear them with the different effects pedals. Quick comparison. Right, my pedals are in an awful mess, as you can see right there. So I'm not going to focus too much. I'll tell you what I'm using. And as I said, I'm just going to do a very, very quick play of each uke, few different effects, just to give you a rough idea of the different sounds. Anybody interested? I have got a microphone going through my Warwick CCL 15-inch speaker amp. It's actually a bass amp, but everything is very flat on it. But as I said, it's just to give a quick idea. So first off, completely clean signal, no effects, just uke going to amp. Little bit of reverb, tiny bit of delay, and equalizer pedal. So a bit of modulation now. Still got reverb, tiny little bit of delay, and the EQ pedal is still on, and phaser and chorus. So we're going to add a little bit of gain now, overdrive. And I should note, this is my new Overdrive pedal, the twin note, it's the green pedal. More gain, this one is the Camise Distortion US Dream, which I think is more like another Overdrive. Proper crunch distortion. Expect possibly a little bit of feedback off this one in particular. This one has got a low G as well, which will make a difference, particularly on that riff. And the last pedal for the day, auto wah, but of course we've still got reverb, little bit of delay, and the EQ pedal on. As you can see, we're in an almighty mess because I've got a few new pedals and a new power block, and as you've just seen, a new pedal board. So the plan, I love it when I have a plan, my husband just goes, is the effect is going to get a little bit bigger, not massively bigger, but I just felt I wanted to try a few more different effects. So they are all going to move to this, and this is going to become a BUFX, bass ukulele effects. Watch this space, coming very soon. So there we are, two very different ukes, both made by Flight, both tenors, but apart from that, quite different and quite different sounds. This really was just me messing about today before I take my pedalboard apart, and just to give a little idea how different steel string ukuleles sound compared to nylon string. Now, the main thing when I'm messing about with effects is ultimately my electroacoustic is at the front of my mind, trying to get different sounds and nice sounds from this. But it's a very interesting journey going down the steel string route. I'm not a guitarist, so using effects like this is very, very different, and I know I've got an awful lot to learn. But I'm fairly sure this is not going to be the last video where you see me comparing electroacoustic compared to solid body electric, and I will go through different effects pedals in a lot more detail because I haven't changed anything today. I've literally just been plugging ukes in and out, and it'll be really interesting to see what different sounds we can achieve using the different kinds of ukuleles. keep an eye on what's going to happen very shortly with new pedal boards. And you know what to do. If you've got a comment or a question, please feel free to leave it below. Give us a like if you've enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching.